At two farmers markets, vendors recorded the amount of money spent by customers during a visit. The median amount spent for a sample of customers at Maple Grove Farmers Market is $18. The median amount spent for a sample of customers at Riverbend Farmers Market is $25. Is there enough information to determine if there is a meaningful difference in the typical amount spent by customers at the two farmers markets? Pause this video, have a go at that. Okay, so the first thing to think about is, what do we even mean by meaningful difference? So for the sake of this exercise, we will use this definition. Two sample measures of center, in this case, the sample measures of center are the medians. They're meaningfully different when their difference, and we can calculate their difference, the difference between $18 and $25, that's a $7. So when the difference, when the difference between them, we can calculate that, that is $7, when it is greater than 2 times the larger measure of variability. Now here's where it gets a little bit tough. We don't have any measures of variability here. If we had access to the data, we could actually calculate the interquartile ranges and how wide they were, and we could use that as a measure of variability. But we don't have that. We just know the medians. We just know the measures of center. We don't have the measure of the measures of variability. So by this definition of meaningful difference, we cannot determine. We do not have enough information because they haven't given us the interquartile range or some other measure of variability. So no. All right, and we're done.